Hey, it's Nevsky with Worship Piano Tutorials, and today I want to show you how to play this song Face to Face. It is such a beautiful song, and I'm going to go to the introduction right away. So the introduction consists of 3 chords, and it's A minor, C, and right away to F. So again, A minor, and you got your main A minor, and instead of playing the regular C chord, I'm gonna play it inverted of C, and it looks like this. That way I only have to move one finger. So that's the beauty of inverted chords. They allow you to kind of move your hand less. So instead of going like this, I'm gonna do this. And then I'm gonna play the F as inverted as well. So instead of moving my entire hand here, I'm just gonna move so here's A minor, here's C, here's F. So see how like I literally don't even have to keep my eyes on the keyboard just because I'm moving like 1 or 2 fingers. So that's the way I'm gonna play the introduction, and a lot of this chords in this song I'm gonna play inverted. So the regular A minor, inverted C, inverted F. And I have a lesson on inverted chords. They are amazing. It totally changed my piano playing life. I'll link it down below. So, okay. So going to the A minor, switching to C, F, A minor. So really quick, just like. Really simple. Those are the 3 chords. And then you go into verse 1, and before verse 1 and the introduction, you have a bit of space. So I kind of counted it. I think it's 8, like fast steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then when she starts, so like. I remember when you called my name. So I think that was 8 really small, like 1, 2, 3. Steps, and then you begin the song. All right, so counting is very important. You want to be on a beat. All right, so when you go into verse 1, you see this really, you can't hear this when you listen to the song, but once you start learning it, you see that it has a bit of a weird groove to it. It goes like this. It's kind of, if you're singing and playing this, it almost feels like it's offbeat, but it's not. So I want you to kind of practice this groove even before going into the verse and trying the song. So it goes like, so just repeat it after me. So again, you have the A minor, the C, and the F chord. Those are the chords for the inverse. I think I kind of messed up on that one, but you can see how when you mess up on this groove, it literally messes up the rhythm. So you want to make sure to kind of get this. If you're a super beginner, you could literally just skip the C. You could do na, 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 na. Super easy, just A minor and F. But if you want to challenge yourself, you could definitely include that C, but remember to get this groove down. And then on that 4th line, you see an A minor, G over B, which is a slash chord. It's so beautiful. You have your G chord with your right hand and a B chord with your left. And then you have a C, which is inverted, and an inverted F. So, like you waited for this all my life. That's how it sounds. You're just playing every single chord for every little like beat. So, na, 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 na. That's the 4th line of every verse. Okay, so. Continue. I remember when I learned to pray. So you kind of go through the verse like that with that little groove. Definitely get it down before moving on. And then you have a little instrumental. And this song has 2 instrumentals, and they're both sort of took me a while to get them down. Let's just say that. So the first instrumental right after the first verse goes like this. And you're playing C chord. And you go into verse 2. So the way you're doing that with your right hand, you're playing C, E, G, G. And then you do this really fast. A, G, E, and then C, E, G, G, A, G, E. Okay, so that's kind of your transition. So with your left hand, you're going to be pressing on octaves, and you're going to play C. And then you're going to switch to F. And you go into verse 2. So that's your instrumental. Remember it's with your left hand, it's fairly easy. It's just C and F. And then with your right hand, that's where it could be a little bit difficult. All right, so that's the first instrumental. You go into verse 2, which is the same as verse 1, you know. When I think about your... Whoops, see that I just hit that on the wrong timing. That can happen. So, when I think upon your wounded hands. So keeping that groove, okay? Otherwise, just omit the C. Don't play the C if you can't get this down. Anyway, so at the end of verse 2, we see this like line, I need you more than anything. So, Jesus, I can be your hands and feet. Let my life remember you, my King. So notice those 4 chords on the last line. And then you go into I need you more than anything. So, my King, I need you more than anything. So watch as I did that. On that last line, I went into the instrumental right away. So, I need you more than anything. When you sing out you want to press this key. So, I need you more than anything. So, did you notice that? That last line is when the instrumental begins. So, I'm going to show you that one more time. So, remember you, my King. I need you more than anything. Gosh, I totally butchered that. So essentially in the song, because there's a lot of synth, they transition to the second type of instrumental that we have. So first you're going to be playing this you more than anything. You're going to play F. You're going to go back to C. And you're going to stop right there. So you're going to go straight into that next instrumental. So again, you're going to play C. You more than anything. You're going to play your F. You're going to go back to your C, but you're only going to play half of that measure. You can even hold it out. You go into that next instrumental, which consists of playing this with your right hand. G, A, E, E, D, C, and then you go G, A, E, 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 F, E, and then you do G, A, G, D, E, G, A, E, 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 F, E. So that's what you're playing with your right hand. Again, feel free to go back and watch this in a slower speed if you want to see that again. And then with your left hand, you're going to be playing the A minor, F, and then you're going to be playing a C or an E. So you could play E or C, depends what you want to do. And then a G. So watch this. And then you can increase the bass. And you go into the bridge. So again, 2 times you want to play it sort of quiet. And then you want to add the bass. So see how now I'm playing the E, just because it sounds a little more powerful. You can keep playing loud. Definitely don't decrease the volume here. So you have your A minor. For the bridge, you have an F. You have a C over E. So that means you're playing C with your right hand and E with your left hand. Down and surrender, your G. And then again, you have the A minor, F, C over E, and G. I'll sing your name. I'll sing it loud. Such a beautiful part. So you want to add that bass, and then after this bridge you go into that same instrumental. So you can do this loud if you want, or kind of get quiet. And then here they have this instrumental mixed with this one. So you can really kind of play which one you want. It's kind of, there's a lot of music there. So if you're just playing piano, choose one instrumental and play it. And then you go into verse 3, which is the same as verse 1. It's just really quiet. So that's it. That's the entire tutorial. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you when I play the entire cover for you. Bye.